Hi, does your PDF look too plain? Let's add a professional background by applying a color, image, or watermark using Foxit PDF Editor. To add a background, go to the Organize tab. Expand Background and select Add. Optionally, choose a saved template. Select a single color as the background, or add a file from your computer. Pick Pages for background application. Set the background's rotation angle. Adjust the opacity to control its transparency. Resize the background to fit page dimensions. Open Appearance options to set when the background appears, such as for print or screen view. Fine-tune the vertical and horizontal offset from the page edges. Click Page Range. Choose to apply the background to all pages or specify a custom range. Click OK to apply and close. Expand the background menu and select Update. Modify your settings in the Update Background dialog box. Click OK to apply the changes. Expand the background menu and select Remove All. Click Yes in the pop-up message box. Expand the background menu and select Add or Update. Click the Save Templates button. Give a name to your template and hit OK to save. Now, the saved template appears in the Select Template menu.